Hello everyone, welcome back to RP Automation YouTube channel. We are going to complete one end-to-end project using all exception handling, best practices, and all these things using. We have completed two videos. One is for exception handling, and another one is for how to extract dynamic table. This table. I hope you seen this video because this video is very important for complete one to end project. If you not seen this video, so I recommend you please go and check these videos, because if you not seen this video, so this project is will not able to understand you people. So please check this video. I will give link in the description also. So I hope you know what is the requirement for our project to complete. I will tell you once again. So we have to extract this table, and this table is changing every time when you are going to press refresh button. So this table is reflecting new table anytime. So we have to extract this dynamic table, and we have to create a worksheet using this column name. If their column name is 2, so our bot is able to create a worksheet is 2. So it will be totally dynamically. And if another requirement is for if the value 0 is present inside of column, so we have to skip those values, and we have to extract these all things which is present in the row using this, and we have to keep this value in the excel. So we have completed two videos. One is for exception handling, and another is for how to extract dynamic table and how to create dynamic worksheet using excel. And this is for the last video. We have to extract this rows value and keep it into excel file, and we have to skip this 0 value. Uh, so this is the last video to complete our end-to-end project. So let's start our project. So this code we have did in the last video, so I hope you remember. And today's video we are going to extract all rows value, and this value we have to put it into Excel file. So let's start. So for that we have in the last video we have extracted all uh, column number, and this number we have given in the loop condition, and we have created worksheet, and we have given here increment count for the create new worksheet, multiple worksheet. So in today's video we are going to extract rows value. So for that we are going to take once again one loop. So take nested loop. Inside of loop we have to give condition data table for each row in a table, and table is capture data table, and assign table row variable. Okay. So inside of so for that we take one assign action string. We are going to store our row value, and inside of assign value take capture data, and as of now I'm giving here this value, and give your name str uh, country, sorry, customer names. Again, we are going to take assign action. Assign action, we are going to take using number package. Okay. So again, I am going to take one more action. One row counter default value 1 and give here this variable uh, num row, and here also hard coded value is 0. Okay, and this will be stored in inside of str customer name. Assign again here our counter variable. Good name country. Okay, and give here increment. Now, first of all, we need to take if condition because we don't want to write value which is available here value like 0. So this value we want to skip. So the country, str country does not include 0. Then we want to set cell. Excel against set cell command we need to take inside of if condition, and value will be uh, this one customer name. A, and uh, num row counter. Num row counter. We have to convert it into string. Second one for the country B. The value will be country. Now take increment. I want to increment value num row counter. Num row counter increment value 1 num row counter. And second loop outside this increment will be present, not inside. And here one more increment This increment is for number. So this assigned value, increment value, I am going to take because I want to increment value, because here I am writing something in the Excel. That's why I don't want to write overlap value or uh, all value in one column. So I want to write value one by one in all columns. So that's why I'm giving here increment value and assign value. So if I run this code, then you able to understand. So we are going to run this code. So let's run our code to see what will be the expected output. So this type of question is very important, guys, for the interview also. In the real time interview, interviewer can view this link and ask you to during the interview solve this question. So this type of question is very important. So it's our code, it's working in right way. So you can see here it is created first column worksheet Australia, and it is skip all zero values. Like in first three columns, zero value is present, but it is not written here. So our code is working fine, and it will give you the expected output. So let's see what is the next. So next is China. Yes, next is China. You can see here. Third one is India. So it is creating a worksheet and writing all expected value inside of Excel. This worksheet you can see here. So you can see, guys, here. Here uh, four column is present. So our code must be create four worksheet like Australia, China, India, and South Korea. So it is created four worksheet, and it is giving us to expected output also. So using this code or using this type of technique, you can solve this question during the interview, or we have completed this into in real time project also. So this type of code or this type of questions or this type of use case is very important when you are going to uh, complete one end-to-end project, or you are going to you have planned to go to any interview. So this type of question or this type of logic is very important. If you want to make more videos on interview questions or real time project, so please comment, I will make a video on that also. So if you found this video is helpful for you, so please like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss out any latest update related to RPA, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Power Automate. So thank you for watching.